Hello traders, the time has come to discuss how to identify the base bearish signal accurately. All right, so I hope you want to know how you also can identify the base bearish signal accurately like the pros. All right. So recently, I have recorded a video that I titled The Most Powerful Bullish Signal. So you may YouTube search that video that we title The Most Powerful Bullish Signal. In that tutorial, I reveal to traders how one can identify the most powerful bullish signal. But today is another day. We're going to talk this time about another topic, how one can identify the best bearish signal accurately. All right. So let's get started. Few months ago, there was a comment posted on our YouTube channel, the Pro Trader YouTube channel, when a trader was asking me, how do you sell? Was a specific question. How do you sell? All right. So in order to answer that question, so which I always do, so I read the comments, and then later on we record videos to address those specific questions. So this is because of that question that I'm recording this video today, how to identify the best bearish signal accurately. All right. There is only one powerful bearish signal, and if you want to, improve your bearish trading, improve your trading. In fact, your day trading, swing trading, you want to know the best bullish, signal, the best bearish signal, so you can focus on it. So you don't want to lose. You want something that can work for you. Yes or no? All right. You are looking for something that you can use daily, weekly, monthly, that you understand, that is very simple, that you can quickly assimilate and then put into use. All right. So that's why I'm here to answer that question. Without too much blah 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 from my side, it's very simple. The first thing that I want you to do is to draw a line at every low on your chart. So here it is. By this here, the price went up, pulled back, form a low on the weekly chart. We can do this strategy on a 2-hour time frame, 4-hour time frame, 30-minute time frame, or a daily chart. I like the weekly chart. So that's my first low. If I pull back from a low, change the direction. There was another low here. Will you agree? So here you change the direction again, change direction in form a double bottom chart pattern. This is another low. Color that one into orange. So this will help us, what we are doing now will help us to identify the best bearish trading signal. There is another one here. So you see here there was a consolidation here, all right, in this zone. So if you see you see the price form a low here, it changed direction a bit, but it was a consolidation. So what I will do, I'll move my line, which I don't want to do, by the way, but also, in fact, I'll put another line there. So we will, if we see that the low is a consolidation, we want to concentrate on the median line of that consolidation. So here you can see that this low is a consolidation. So we draw a line to the middle of that consolidation. And I will color that into pink so you can see it on your chart. Those are the low that we are highlighting. So the last low is this one here, all right? So anytime you want to sell, highlight the lows, all right? Because the reason is, if a financial instrument is truly bearish, if we should sell it, all right, it must form lower lows and lower high, all right? And the attention, the most important thing for bearish sellers is for the price to form a new lower low, and most importantly, to find a resistance below that low. So in a downtrend, the price must break those lows. So you see, there was this low here. Because it's going down, it breaks below that low. This is very good for us. And now we have another low here, it breaks below it. Then we have another low here, the pink line, and then it breaks below it. This is indicating to us that the bearish momentum is increasing. With that, we are not fighting the price, we are not fighting anybody, we are just flowing with the price. But remember, whenever you hear the word trading signal, you need to substitute that with trading setup. But very often, a lot of traders, all right, majority of traders focus on a trading signal, all right. But what I say to traders, the most important thing is not the signal, it's the source of the signal, the origin of the signal. So you want to drink water, you want to know the source of that water. If the source is bad, you don't want to drink it, yes or no? If the source is pure and clean, you can drink that water. So you may be far away somewhere down on the land drinking that water, but if you know that the source of that water is clean and pure, you have more confidence to drink it. All right? Am I making sense? If not, put a comment in the comment section. All right? On the other hand, if you know that that water, where it's coming from, the source is not clean, you don't want to drink it. The same thing we do in trading. Whenever we see a trading signal, whether moving average crossover, whether oversold, or any other type of trading signal, we need to know where is the setup that has generated that signal. So for instance, you are using a TSTW24 for day trading, triple green, triple red, or a single red, okay, triple green, triple single green, double green. You know the signal. But whenever you see a signal anywhere, you want to know which trading setup on another higher time frame has generated the signal on the signal time frame. If the trading setup is very good, if it is a high probability trading setup, then you will be happy to take that signal on the entry time frame. Yes or no? All right. So the point I'm making here, by highlighting the lows, this will help us to identify the best sell signal. And it always the same thing. What we are looking for, we want to try to break below a low. So this is the red line here. So we want it to break below that low and to retest that low and to find a resistance there. How do we know that the price find a resistance at a support level, at a key level? So this low here, how do we know that after breaking below it, the price find a resistance? Okay, so I always say this: break below, retest, turn around. Turn around means it found a resistance after retesting it. We know that it found a resistance when the common central line here, you see this common central line here, is kaput. All right, break below, retest, and the common central line is kaput. Below a low. This is the most powerful bearish trading setup that will generate, all right, the best bearish signal. So whenever you see a bear, so you may say to me, George, you may see this setup like this, all right? You say it's a bearish trading setup. How do I sell? On the signal time frame, on the entry time frame, look for something similar again like this. So on your signal time frame, draw again the lows on that time frame where you are about to enter the trade. Draw all the low and wait for something like this again. You will see it will happen again. Break below, retest, and common centralized kaput, and then you know that you have, okay, your entry on your entry time frame, your signal on the signal time frame, and the setup must be good, and that setup is below a low. Break below a low and retest that low, common centralized kaput. That bearish trading setup is the most powerful bearish trading setup. So if you are trading, for instance, you see here the CCI period 14 was also overbought. Now we know that this overbought CCI is a very good, powerful overbought CCI warning, because this is the most powerful bearish trading setup that is taking place at the same time the CCI is overbought. We do not sell straight away. All right, this is the trading setup that will generate the trading signal on the signal time frame. So because I'm on a weekly chart, I will combine the weekly chart. I will be looking for a trading signal either on a 2-hour time frame or on a 4-hour time frame. Then I will enter the trade on a 50-minute time frame, looking for exactly the same signal that is break below a low and a retest, and a common central line is kaput. Or I may be looking for bearish chart pattern on my entry time frame. This is the most powerful bearish trading signal. This is the most powerful bearish trading setup that will generate, okay, the best bearish signal. So here, so first thing you do, highlight all the low on your chart and just wait. So you see here, so now we have it here. We apply a top down trading method, we sell it. the price going down, the price is looking for a better support level. So here, as it's approaching this support level, whenever you are using this method, you use the signal time frame, watch out for the support level on the signal time frame. So you sell because of the signal on the signal time frame, watch out for the support on the signal time frame. It's coming down, be ready to take profit. So we have another low now. This is the orange line. What are we looking for? So here, this is a bit messy. It's not very clean like this one here. You see here, it just break a little bit below it, went back above it. But here it is, my friend. Another low. A common central line is kaput. Now again, we have a powerful bearish trading setup. Another low is not happening anywhere. It's that the price is dropping from one low to another low. And we are just catching it as it's about to go to the next level. Here we have the pink line. Because we have a consolidation, we draw it near the median line. Okay, if it was perfect wrong, we'll put it here. But because it's a blah, 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 we'll leave it near the median line. Here again, you can see that it draw below the pink line. Why it did here? Break below, retest, and turn around, find a resistance below a key support level. You see here. Again, this is the most powerful. Sometimes you see here, this is a good one. You can see after ED, be aware of that. He break below the common central line. He try to retest again that common central line. You will see that. Here you see that it just went down straight away. But be aware that sometimes the price will do like this. Will break that common central line, but will try to retest it before coming down. In all cases, use a multiple time frame trading method after you have identified the most powerful bearish trading setup that will generate the best bearish signal. These strategies is valid on all time frame, all right, and we are paying attention to the low, all right, especially in a declining channel. So, all right, this is what we are looking for. Break below, retest, and turn around, all right? So, for instance, here on the 30-minute time frame, you can see that there was a bit of, there's a triangle here. Can you see there's a blue triangle here? This low here. See here, this low. You want the retest, so here it is. Here, this one here. Break below, retest, okay? Below that low. And common central line is kaput. It gap down a bit, and boom. All right? So, you want it to come from the top. Break from the top, break below. That's why that's the best setup. From the top, break below, retest, common central line is kaput, and take it from there. All right, this is what we are looking for on any time frame. All right, any time frame, because you need to be, one thing you don't want to do not violate the market pattern. If the price is in a rising channel, you don't want to apply that method to look for bearish trading setup in a rising channel. That will be a violation of a market pattern. You don't want to do that. Don't apply it when the price is in a rising channel. So for instance, here you don't want to do that, okay? Because it's in a rising channel somewhere here. You will be crazy to highlight the low because you are violating the market pattern. But you see here, it went up first. You see, it went up. Now it starts coming down, okay? So now we highlight the lows. Okay, there's one here, okay? Everyone, here it is. You see here, it draw below it and retest it here and boom, down. Work on it gently, and then you will improve your strategy. But do not violate the market pattern. One more thing, if the price is consolidating, do not apply that method because there is a better place to sell. It's the top of the consolidation, all right? So we use it together with the three market pattern, the rising channel, the declining channel, and the horizontal channel. When the market pattern is a rising channel, do not apply it, all right? All right, do not apply that method, all right? It makes sense? It is also powerful. If you have any question or suggestion, put in the comment section, and in due course, I will be busy recording another video to answer your specific question. We are recording this video today because a trader has asked me a specific question: how do you sell? And today, we want to talk about how to identify the best bearish signal accurately. Remember, the most powerful bearish trading setup will generate the best bearish signal. We want to highlight first the lows, all right? And we want the price to break below that low, to retest it, and to turn around. We will implement a top-down trading method to trade it. We pay attention to the economy news and the market pattern. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon. we are the TSTW24 traders talking about how to identify the best bearish signal accurately. Speak to you soon.